What's good, y'all? What's happening, man? It's FLYEERRKicks, and welcome back to the channel. Now, if this is your first time here, man, I appreciate you for stopping by. Feel free to hit that subscribe button, man. Join the freaking Flyers Club. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss out. Drop a like, drop a comment if you like the content. And last but not least, man, I got my IG name listed right here down below. Head over to IG, give me a follow list, interact on there as well, man. Now, getting right into it, man, I got an early pair for y'all. I was able to snag these joints off the shock drop on the sneakers live the other day. I really wanted the Shadow Low, but this was something that was kind of intriguing to me. I have pretty much all of the other shoes that come in this color blocking, and this is just an interesting one. I just wanted to see, maybe I like it, maybe I don't. But let's check this joint out together, man, and see what it's hitting for, man. Now, I do like the box on this joint, man. It comes laced in the all black Jordan 1 box, but they flipped the color to like that Igloo green glow style colorway, man. People are calling these joints the poor man of igloos that dropped their R-Bows a while back. But let's check these joints out, man. The tag on this joint reads Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG, white, black, green glow, size 12, man, size 12. Let's check them out. Now, here we have the Air Jordan 1 High, green glow, glow toe, poor man igloos. A bunch of names have been floating around on these joints, man. I like the color blocking on this shoe as always. The leather looks like it's solid, man, but let's check them out and see how you feeling about them. Now, starting with the front of the shoe, man, this joint comes laced with the green glow going across the toe box. Black smooth leather going all the way across the toe cap in the smooth toe colorway fashion, man. Black going across the side of the shoe, going across the eyelets. Has the white going across the mid panel, man. Just like all the other green toe and bread toe styles, man. Got that white mid panel. Black swoosh going across. Has some nice tumble leather on that green glow hit on the back of the shoe. Black Air Jordan Wings logo going across the top. Black smooth leather going across the ankle collar. Same hits on the back with the green glow, black, white. Black going across the collar up top, man. Really, really nice hits there. Going into the side of the shoe, man, it's the same as the outside. It does have the white, black, and green glow hits, man. It looks good. I'm not gonna lie to you. I don't love the colorway, just like I don't love the Igloo Jordan 1. But the quality is there, and it's something about this color blocking that makes this shoe work, man. It just works. Now, getting back to the front of the shoe, man, it has the green glow in the toe box, like I said earlier. Factory installed with black laces, black tongue. Then it has the white tongue tag with the green glow Nike Air woven into these joints, man. Black going across the guts of this shoe. Super nice hit there. I like the black interior rather than them doing a color or the white interior, as always, man. Black just look good and it lasts longer. And on the insole of this shoe, man, it is a black insole with the green glow Nike pressed on. And it has a size tag as always, man. Really, really nice hits there. Black laces factory installed. How do you feel about the toe style color blocking? We know we got blue toes, yellow toes that just dropped. We got the shattered backboard. All of those styles of colorway, man. How you feel about that colorway overall, this color blocking? And let me know how you feeling about this green glow so far, man. Let's check out the other shoe and see how you feeling about them, man. Now, get into that right shoe, man. It's the same as the left. It has that nice tumble green glow colorway going across the toe box. Black smooth leather going across the toe cap, across the front of the shoe. Going all the way up the eyelets where the laces go, man. Nice black smooth leather. Has the white hit in the middle, black swoosh. Green glow tumble leather going across the back hit and the top part of the shoe with the Jordan, man. Air Jordan Wings logo pressed on in black. Black up top on the ankle collar and going around the top of the shoe. Again, to the side, man, just the same as the other way, man. Black, white, black swoosh. Black toe cap going around, green glow. Some really, really nice hits on these joints, man, for sure. The one with a pure white midsole on here. The solid green glow outsole, man, going all the way across. This is a really solid colorway, man. I'm not gonna lie to you. I don't think it'll sell crazy well, but with this color blocking, man, definitely gonna move units, man. Just a really, really good looking Jordan 1, man. Do they need to retire it? Yeah, they do. Just give us some other different styles, man, but they've been running this toe style blocking into the ground lately, but it looks good, so I can't really blame them, and it always sells pretty well. It may not sell out completely like the yellow toes and the UNC toes didn't, but they did sell well, and they moved really well. Now, as far as extras on these joints, man, they went with the Move to Zero box, and it does have the inside with the green glow laces just to match the color of the shoe. I like the extras, man. Can never go wrong with the extra set of laces. I probably will go black in these joints still, or maybe white laces from another pair. But the green glow looks good and the black looks good as always, man. Can't go wrong with those. Now, like I said before, man, I was able to grab these joints off the sneakers app during the shock drop. Retail was 180 bucks, man. That was like 194 out the door here in Texas. And as far as resale, man, they aren't really doing anything. They were going for like 300 before the drop. They dropped a bunch of pairs on that shock drop. Now you can get them for right around retail, just above 200 bucks. So definitely don't pay anything crazy. If you can get a retail live on them to have them early, definitely grab them then. But I wouldn't say pay anything over 200 bucks on this shoe. And I can definitely see it going on sale as soon as it releases, man. So definitely be patient if you don't need them. But paying retail or 200 or less on these joints if you do need them or want them just early for some reason, I'm not mad at that at all. But nothing crazy, no 250s on these joints at all, man. I know a couple of the shops that probably will have them early. They're gonna charge 250, 260, 275, whatever it is. I personally wouldn't pay that. If someone that's copying them as a personal, man, just wait and get them for the low. But like I said, 200 or less is your price point right now, man. Don't pay anything crazy at all. Now, as far as quality and quality control, man, every time they do this toe style color blocking, they do really, really good quality. It's some nice tumble leather on these joints, man. Really nice quality on the green glow panels. The black and the white leather is just smooth. Nothing too crazy there. But solid quality overall. No major flaws, no misstitching. No super duper crazy glue marks or anything like that. But you're getting a solid shoe with this one. You're paying more so for the color of this shoe rather than the quality on a lot of these recent Jordan 1s and Nike Dunks and things like that. But with this toe style, you are getting some pretty decent leather, man. So don't be afraid to grab it, man. Especially if you really like this color. I think it will move well in the grade school sizes and for the kids. I don't think men will be going crazy over this color blocking. Even though people are paying $5,000 and $6,000 and crazy numbers for the Igloos, this is not those, man. They're close, almost, but not quite. I wouldn't pay that for the Igloos either. I'd be more inclined to pay that for the rust pink colorway. Just speaking on those Art Basel pairs from a while back, but still a good one. Now, I could see a lot of people painting this toe box white and calling these joints Igloos just on the custom tip. I do feel that, and I do see that happening a lot. I just can kind of see the customizers having fun with this one. But other than that, man, don't pay anything crazy. Quality is decent, really good shoe. But definitely an on sale shoe, man. Definitely grab these joints on sale. But overall, man, just about wraps it up for this video. Just want to give you guys a quick unboxing of this Jordan 1 High in the green glow colorway. Got them early. Just wanted to show you guys, man. Just leave me a comment down below, man. This is a cop for you. Are you dropping? Are you dripping, flipping, skipping, man? Leave me an honest opinion down below. Just let me know how you feeling about these joints. Really nice colorway. Love the color blocking, man. But just let me know how you feel about them. But like I said, man, that's gonna wrap it up for this one. Until next time on the next video, we got the Jordan 1 High in the green glow colorway, man. Peace.